Hi students, I welcome you all for today's class, which is we are going to revise the chapter 1. In this exercise 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3, 2 marks for the upcoming monthly test. Practice all the sums given to you and write the assignments and submit it clearly. From this material assignment only we are going to ask the questions, so be prepared. We will go for the sums. The first sum is represent the following sets in rooster form. Here we have 4 subdivisions. In that I am going to do the third sum. C is equal to x such that x is a perfect cube where x lies between 27 and 216. Here the cubic number is, what is the cubic number? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. In this 27 and 216 we have only 2 cubes, that is 64 and 125. So the next sum, like that you have to do the remaining sums. The next sum is represent the following set in set builder form. Here the question is given in the descriptive form. I am going to take the fourth sum. Here E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. So I am going to write this in the set builder form. So E is equal to x such that x is odd number. Here x belongs to W where x lies less than 9. So this is the set builder form where W is the set of whole numbers. Next, from the exercise 1.2 I am going to do the fifth sum. State which pair of sets are disjoint or overlapping. Disjoint means the set has no common element. If it is overlapping, there will be a common element. In that, the third sum, E is equal to x such that x is a factor of 24 and f is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3 where x is less than 30. Here the set E is equal to factor of 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are the elements. For f, multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. In these two sets, E intersection f is 3, 6, 12, 24. So E intersection f has elements which is not equal to null set. Therefore E and f are overlapping sets. Next, in the seventh sum, if A is equal to set of element contains A and A comma B, write all the subsets of A. In this set A we have only 2 elements, one is A, the other one is A comma B. So the subsets are null set A comma B and A comma B. So these 4 are the subsets of A. Then we are moving to the eighth sum. Write down the power sets of the following sets. In this we have 4 subdivisions. In that I am going to do the second sum. B is equal to set containing 1, 2, 3. So for that the power set, before that I am going to write the subsets. The subsets are null set, set containing single elements 1, 2, 3 and a set contains 2 elements 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3 and then 3 elements 1, 2, 3. So to write this in the power set of B, you have to write this as P of B is equal to, you have to combine all this inside a set bracket which is null set 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Next, in the ninth sum, find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets of the following. Here the first sum is W is equal to red, blue, yellow. So these are the 3 elements. So n of W is equal to 3. So the number of subsets, the formula to find the number of subsets is 2 power n, that is 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. Then the proper subsets, the number of proper subsets is 2 power n minus 1, that is 2 power 3 minus 1, which gives 8 minus 1. The answer is 7. Like that you can do the second sum. Next, in the 10th sum we have 3 subdivisions. In that, the third sum is, if n of p of a is equal to 256, find n of a. So n of p of a is equal to 256. The 256 can be divided by 2 and get the answer as 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 is n of p of a. From that, n of a is equal to 8. So the number of elements in the set A is 8. With this, we are going to see the 1 mark questions, exercise 1.7. In that we have 20 questions. First question, which of the following is correct? Here the 4 options are given. Look at the options. In that, the first and the fourth options have the set 7 within the set bracket. But in the second and third, we have 7, simply 7. So 7 belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this, option 2 is the correct, because that set contains, that element 7 contains the set. The third option, 7 does not belongs to, is given, which is incorrect. So the first sum answer is second option. Then we will move on to the second sum. The set P is equal to x such that x belongs to z, where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So z means integer. Here P, set P contains minus 1 to plus 1. Between minus 1 to plus 1, we have 0 as a element. So the answer is singleton set. Next, the third sum, if u is equal to x such that x belongs to n, where x is less than 10, and a is equal to x such that x belongs to n, and x lies between 2 and 6, then find a dash whole dash. Here the set u is natural number less than 10, so you can have the elements from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. For set A, we have elements from 2 to 6, excluding 6. You can write this as 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they ask you to find the a dash whole dash. The value of a dash whole dash is a. So the answer is a itself. The set containing 2, 3, 4, 5. So the option C. Then next sum, if B is a subset of A, then n of A intersection B is a proper subset. So proper subset means the set B is a smaller set which is contained inside A. So A intersection B gives B itself. So the answer is n of B. Then the question number 5. In this, A is equal to x, y, z. Then the number of non-empty subsets of A. They ask you to find the non-empty subsets. Here the non-empty subsets is 2 power 3 minus 1. Non-empty subset means the proper subsets. So 2 power 3 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. The next one, which of the following is correct? The first option, null set is a subset of A comma B. Null set belongs to A comma B. A belongs to A comma B, and A is a proper subset of A comma B. So empty set is an improper subset. So the answer is option A. So the empty subset is improper subset. So first option, null set is a improper subset of A comma B. Then the seventh question, if A union B is equal to A intersection B, then which of those option is correct? A is not equal to B, A is equal to B, A is a proper subset of B, B is a proper subset of A. Here A union B is equal to A intersection B, then A is equal to B is the correct option. So option B is the correct answer. Eighth sum, if B minus A is equal to B is B, then what is A intersection B? B minus A is equal to B. So what will be the option? B minus A means then A and B are disjoint. So disjoint means they don't have any common element. So the option is null set. Next, ninth sum, from the adjacent diagram find n of p of A symmetric difference B. So for A symmetric difference B, we have the formula is A minus B union B minus A. So from this diagram the elements are 60, 85, 75, 90 and 70. So 5 elements. So the 2 power 5 is equal to 32 is the answer. The next sum, if n of A is equal to 10 and n of B is equal to 15, then the minimum and the maximum number of elements in A intersection B is n of A is equal to 10 and n of B is equal to 15. The minimum number of elements is 0. That means if A and B are disjoint, they don't have any common element means then the intersection is 0. Next, to find the maximum number of elements, the minimum of 10, 15 is the answer. So the answer is 10. So totally 0, 10 is the option. The next 11th sum, let A is equal to set containing null set and B is equal to P of A, then what is A intersection B? So P of A is equal to B is equal to P of A. So the answer is null set and set containing null set. So therefore, what is A intersection B? The A intersection B is the null set, set containing null set. So option B, 2 is the answer. The 12th sum, in a class of 50 boys, 35 boys play carom and 20 plays chess, and find the number of boys play both games. So you can use the formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. In that, n of A union B is given as 50 is equal to 35 plus 20 minus n of A intersection B. On simplification we get 5. The next one, if U is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 10 and A is equal to set containing 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and B is equal to 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, then what is n of A union B whole dash? Here the set U contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and set A is given as 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, B is equal to 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. Then A union B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 8 and 9. N of A union B whole dash. So for that A union B whole dash is only 4. So the n of A union B whole dash is 1. Next one, for any 3 sets P, Q and R, P minus Q intersection R is, this is a distributive property. So we can use the distributive property here. P minus Q intersection R is equal to P minus Q union P minus R. Option 3 is the correct answer. Which of the following is true? A minus B is equal to A intersection B. A minus B is equal to B minus A. Option 3, A union B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Fourth one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. In that, the first three options are wrong. The last option is A intersection B whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash, which is De Morgan's law of complementation. Then next 16th sum, if n of A union B union C is equal to 100, n of A is equal to 4x and n of B is equal to 6x, n of C is equal to 5x, n of A intersection B is equal to 20, n of B intersection C is equal to 15, n of A intersection C is equal to 25, and n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 10, then the value of x is. We know the formula that n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. On substituting the given values, you will get 100 is equal to 4x plus 6x plus 5x minus 20 plus minus 15 minus 25 plus 10. On simplifying this, you will get the value of x as 10. So the option A first is the correct answer. Next we will go for the question number 17. Here, for any three sets A, B, C, A minus B intersection B minus C is equal to, hint is given as A minus B intersection B minus C is equal to null set. So the answer is null set, option 4. Question number 18. If J is equal to set of three-sided shapes, K is equal to set of shapes with two equal sides, and L is equal to set of shapes with a right angle, then J intersection K intersection L is. Since the J is three-sided shapes, it may be a triangle, equilateral triangle or right angle triangle or scalar triangle. For K, two equal sides, so it is an isosceles triangle. For L, it is a right angle triangle. So the J intersection K intersection L is set of isosceles right angled triangle. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next, the shaded region in the Venn diagram is, in your book the Venn diagram is not given, so you copy that diagram from this material. Here the diagram Z is shaded except the center intersection point, so the value of this is Z minus X intersection Y. Option 3 is the correct answer for this Venn diagram. Next, question number 20. In a city, 40% people like only one fruit, 35% people like only two fruits, 20% people like all the fruits, all the three fruits. How many percentage of people do not like any one of the above three fruits? For that, the formula is 40 plus 35 plus 20 plus x is equal to 100. Since the question is percentage, if you add all these values, you will get 100. So if you add 40 plus 35 plus 20, you will get 95. 95% plus x is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 minus 95, which gives x is equal to 5%. Option A. So with this, we will finish all the 1 marks. So you have to copy down all the 1 marks. With this, we will wind up the today's session. I will send the material for these problems and 1 marks. You have to copy down all those in your assignment note and submit it to the set time and get your marks. Be prepared for the upcoming monthly test. Thank you and enjoy the day.